dividing a quantity in a given ratio. Let's have a look at this question here. Divide $21,000 in the ratio 2:3. So there are two parts, okay? The first part is 2 and the other one is 3. And you add them together is total 5, okay? So which is all together, add up is 5 parts, if you like, okay? So the smaller amount is 2/5 of $21,000. And it give me $8,400. The larger amount is 3/5 of $21,000. So the answer is $12,600. That's the answer. Now you notice that if I add these two amounts together, and it will give me $21,000 because it's in the ratio of 2:3. So the total add up must give me $21,000. Okay, take note on that. Now, let's look at this question here. This tin holds 5 liters of two-stroke petrol. Now, if you don't know what is two-stroke petrol, okay, it is actually a mixture of petrol and oil. Okay, we use that for lawnmower and grass trimmer. So look at this. Okay, the ratio is 40:1. This means that the ratio of petrol to oil is 40:1. So the question is now, how much petrol is in this tin? So you know that the tin is hold 5 liters of petrol, which is mixed up with petrol and oil. So altogether 5 liters. So what is the amount of petrol? So petrol to oil is petrol is 40, oil is 1. So 40:1. So altogether add up, give me 41. Altogether 41 parts. So the petrol is 40 out of 41. You times by 5 liters. Because altogether is 5 liters. So just to look for petrol, just 40 over 41 times 5. So the answer is 4.878 and so on. So I just round to 2 decimal places. So we'll write up to here. Before I write 87, I look at this number because it's 8 greater than 5. So the answer is 4.88 liters. Let's move on to next question. This is an investment strategy. The amount of money that invested in high growth is 79%, and in Australian equities is 21%. If the total amount of investments are $54,380, find the amounts of invested in each area. So if you look at this, high growth, okay, is 79, and then equity, Australian equity is 21. So we can write in ratio form. Okay, so this is 79 to 21. So this is high growth and Australian equity. We can write like that. Now, to work out each of them, okay, high growth, which is equal to the ratio, which is 79. So altogether, you know that you add up is 100 parts altogether. So for high growth is 79 out of 100. You times by $54,380. So which give me $42,960.20. Okay, so that's what it is. For Australian equities, so 21 out of 100 parts, of course, you times by $54,000 380. Okay, it's $54,380, which give me 11419.80, which is $11,419.80. Let's move on next question. This 360 centimeters piece of rope is cut into 3 pieces in the ratio 2 to 1 to 3. What is the length of each piece? So you know that, okay, the smallest part is 1, okay, and then followed by 2, and the largest one is 3. So that's recognize that. Now you know that we add together, okay, 2 plus 1, 3, so add together give me 6, so 6 altogether. So we just do in order, so we're gonna find out the shortest length first, okay, so the shortest length is this one here, 1. So 1 out of 6 times 360 centimeters, so 360. Okay, so 36 divided by 6 is 6. So the answer is 60 centimeters. That is the shortest length. Now the second one, the second shortest length is this one here. So which is 2 out of 6 times 360. In another word, you just double the first one, or just you calculate or simplify whatever what you like. So which is give me 120 centimeters. Now then the longest length is of course this part here, so which is 3/6. 3/6 is a half, okay, 360. So if you have a 360, okay, obviously you get 180 centimeters. Okay, so the length of each piece is 60 centimeters, 120 centimeters, and 180 centimeters. Thank you so much for watching my videos.